Hey everybody, I got an Easter pocket letter for you today. So this is my second Easter one. So for this Easter one, I got found these cool images online. I like Googling images. I just put Google Easter, and this is what I came up. So I got I love this ribbon, and these stars. I've used them on my last one, and another Beauty and the Beast one. I found these cool foam Easter stickers at the dollar store. I think it's Dollarama. And I made this. So this is usually my usual style with the pictures and the funky tape. This is, my first Easter one was actually quite different. I like it. I got maize in there. And some stickers. That's a notebook. Some flower stickers. Those are Easter pins. Easter erasers, which I got from a Walmart. And then more foam stickers. Easter pins, my little birdie clips I found at Dollarama. And then another maze. Yeah, I think there was like 8 in the package for mazes. And then I made some bunny die cuts. There's like 4 of them in there. So yeah, and there's a lot in the bag in this. I think there's like 12. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of them for like $3. So that is the Easter die cut, the Easter pocket letter. And then I found this really cool window cling at Walmart. The other one I sent was to another person was eggs, but this is a really cool bunny one. I really like this one. They didn't have it last time. So I got that from Walmart. And then I found this cool sticker book, like a sticker album, and a shoe stickers. That's from the dollar store. 45 stickers. And then, and I just got a bunch of coloring pages and a word search. Cute little guys here. And they always stick together. You don't want to bend them, right? And then there's one there. And then there's a cute little bunny in his house. So this is my second one I made this year. They just want to stick together. I found that cute little bunny. It's really easy to find coloring pages. Most of these were from Pinterest, but you have to sign up and make an account on Pinterest. But you just put Easter coloring pages, Easter activity pages, and it all pops up. So that is my Easter pocket letter number 2. Stickers, activity pages, window clings. Yeah, I like the way this turned out. It's nice and colorful. It's Eastery. So that is my Easter pocket letter. Later.